Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. So today we have Mr. Pranjal from Statcon Energiaa. A very warm welcome to EQ, sir.
Thank you.
Can you let us know about Statcon and your role in the company?
Yeah, I'm the director at Statcon Energiaa. Basically, I'm responsible for all the sales. So we are doing a lot of things in renewable sector, solar power, hydrogen, as you can see on the background behind me. So we are building up a lot of production capacity and sales capacity for the same thing.
So what are the product offerings and the technologies for this solar thing?
In solar, we are making the entire range of solar inverters, 1 to 250 kVA, grid tie, off-grid and hybrid. And I'm very proud to say that we are the first company in India who have developed their own indigenous grid-tied inverter. And we are aiming to expand this range even more up to 350 kilowatt.
That's great, sir. Any exciting products or innovations you have planned for this year?
Yeah, actually, we are aiming to roll out into the market the world's first grid-tied inverter that can work even during a power cut by connecting to your home inverter, charging the battery as well as giving power to the loads. So this is a new revolutionary product.
How do you see current pricing, demand and supply trends in the solar market?
Actually, current pricing is, I think, at its possible lowest at the moment. I hope it does not get any lower than this in the future, but there is always some scope. New prices are being discovered every day. Might be going even lower in the future, but hoping for the best.
What are your plans for the distribution and what is the expectation from the government?
For distribution, the best people are the ones who already know how to install a project, because they know what kind of quality goes into the product that goes into their project. So we are looking for a lot of distributor, and we already have a lot of distributor who are technical themselves in nature, so that they can help the dealers as well as the end customer. So that is our aim.
How does your company maintain the standard quality of the products?
We are following all of the ISO standards anyway, but we have a full-blown QC team within the premises also, within our factory, and who do in-process QC as well as final test checkup. And each of the products goes under at least 8 hours of heat run. So any product that goes to the end customer, it is fully tested before it goes there.
What's your message to your peers and the customers?
Well, I would say that it's a great time to install solar right now, what with very good policies from the central government and state governments. So do go for solar, do install solar, and make sure that the product is made in India.
Thank you, sir, and
Thanks.
all the best for your upcoming.
Thank you.